Sup guys, back at it again with Now Fish Defense Tactics by me, by yours truly. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, so we're gonna start focusing on how fish basically defend themselves against predators, cause it's a tough world out there for fish. So I have a picture of this is example of like fish schooling. Basically, fish would get into like large groups, like grunts, herring, pollock, and striped sea basses will normally show this type of behavior. And sometimes the schooling can trick larger predators into thinking that these group of fish are like form into one big fish. And basically it also protects fish too, because if you're in this school, like this huge group, you have a less chance of being the one that the predator picks out specifically. And also the fish that are on the outside will also be the lookout. And also there's a thing, it's on the side of the fish. It's called the lateral line system. Also helps with spotting changes in the water pressure. And basically what changes the water pressure is usually like predators that like swim around or any type of fish that swims around. It alerts the fish. And when they move away, the other fish will follow suit. The other one we got camouflaging. Um Basically like blending into your background. Fish will normally use the surroundings to blend in. And here's a type of reef shark. Shading is another tactic where the their top is colored darker and the bottom's lighter. So when you view them from the bottom, it kind of blends in because when you go up to the top to the water, it's kind of light. But like you can see right here, the water's deeper right here. So when you spot them from the top, they're a little bit harder to see. But when you spot from the bottom, you can tell the water is like lighter. Stingrays will also do this too. If you ever notice, the stingrays are dark and light at the bottom. Um, and also fighting back. It's really hard to see, just like I bring back to like camouflaging. The stone, this is a stonefish. It's like right here. They have spines on their back, and if that person steps on it, this fish is venomous. It would like inject poison into the person's foot. They use this to fight back against predators. And some fish are poisonous in order to fight back, like the pufferfish and snapperfish. And also the blowfish. Like fish have spines that they can use to like try to like attack the predators, try to like fight back in a way like I have it titled right there. Like they have spines and if they'll try to like blow themselves or like consume like inhale water. So if they do, like the predator try to eat them, they won't fit them in their mouth. And some fish also produce electricity too, like the electric stingray, like the electric ray. Some fish produce electricity to stun their predators. Some fish use mimicry, like some fish would try to look like flatfish, trying to make themselves look unappealing so people won't eat them. And also some fish try to like look more intimidating, like look like a venomous fish so people can leave them alone. And also slime coat. This is just used to fight back against bacteria and parasites. It also provides moisture to the fish as well. And here's my works cited. I hope you guys have a nice day and goodbye.